How to find someone on Roblox without knowing their username. Sometimes what happens is if you played games on Roblox with someone and you forget their username. So let's see if we are able to find them or not without your username if we forget their username or not. So basically what happens is suppose if you play any games with someone, then you can easily check the browsing history. For that, if you have played the game on the Roblox on your PC, then you can simply click on the Control H and your browsing history will appear here by date and by group. If you have any browsing history and if you have played games, then it will be appeared on this screen where you can simply see those browsing history, open it and check the username or find the people whom you have played the Roblox games with. You might also find their profile on this browsing history, and by opening their profile or visiting their profile, you can also send the friend request. So there is not any particular way that helps us to find someone without knowing the username on Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.